Shifting focus, India Today has accessed exclusive details of Aryan Khan's bail application. The plea reads that the controversial WhatsApp chats pertain to events before the cruise party and cannot be linked to any conspiracy. Here's more.
Aryan Khan is taking his fight for bail to the Bombay High Court. Locked in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail, superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son has seen his plea in lower court rejected repeatedly. India Today has accessed exclusive details of the 23-year-old bail application, loaded with fierce counters to the NCB's charges. In his bail plea, Aryan has argued that just because he is influential, it cannot be presumed that he might tamper with proof. Arguing further, Aryan's bail plea states that there is no evidence to support the charges being made by the NCB. The Narcotics Bureau has claimed that it has found chats of Aryan Khan with peddlers, alleging a deeper international drug syndicate. Aryan's arguments is that the WhatsApp chats pertain to events before the cruise party and cannot be linked to any conspiracy. The superstar's son has reiterated that he is no way connected to any drug trafficking racket, arguing that no narcotics were recovered from his possession by the NCB. Adding that a reformative approach to the NDPS Act is needed.
Can it be said that you consume drugs in the company of somebody else who consumes? Can it be said that because necessarily if you consume, you must buy from somewhere? It means you are part of a drug cartel which is selling, trading, promoting.
The NCB has alleged that Aryan Khan was travelling with his friend Arbaz Merchant, from whom 6 mg of charas was recovered. The plea says that recoveries from Arbaz and even other accused arrested in the case could not be used against Aryan Khan. Aryan's bail plea argues that the veracity of these chats has not been established, maintaining that there was no discussion about a rave party or consumption of drugs.
Here it is no quantity. It can be based on regular consumption. There is no proof of consumption. It can be based on past history. There is no past history. Then according to me, the equation only ends in bail and cannot end in jail.
The big question remains, will the High Court be convinced with Aryan's arguments and grant bail, or will it be back to Arthur Road jail? With Vidya in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.